Hi everybody, welcome to Flip Learning for English this week. So next week we're going to be learning all about something called adjectives. I wonder if you can remember what they are. An adjective describes something. It might be describing what something looks like, what something feels like, what something smells like, what something tastes like, or even what something sounds like. On the screen at the minute, I've got some words in different stars. Some of them are adjectives, which describe something. Some of them are nouns, which can be an object, a person, or a place. Have a read of all of the words and see if you can find all of the adjectives. Did you manage to find any? Let's have a look and see if you got them right. So the first one at the top says tall. Tall is an adjective. It can be used in a sentence such as the Burj Khalifa is very, very tall. Cat. That doesn't describe anything, so that's a noun. Green. Green is a colour, so it definitely describes what something looks like. Fast. A car can go very, very fast. Table. That's a noun. Big is an adjective. Large is also an adjective. Loud is an adjective. It can tell you what something sounds like. Pencil, that is an object. Purple is an adjective. And spotty is an adjective. Well done for finding them all. Here's a picture of a cat and he looks a little bit grumpy. The sentence says, the little cat had a warm bath. Can you find two different adjectives that have been used in this sentence? Let's have a look. So the first adjective that we see is little. This tells us that it's a small cat. It's just a baby cat. The second adjective that's been used is warm. The bath was very, very warm. Well done. Okay, this time it's your turn to have a go at writing a sentence using adjectives. Can you write a sentence to describe this picture? Have a little think about who is it, what does he look like, what is he doing, and what is he doing it with? Have a go at writing your own sentence. In English next week, Year 1 are going to be using adjectives to describe different fairy tale characters and also different fairy tale settings. Pause the video and see if you can name as many fairy tale characters as you can. So here I've got a picture of a fairy tale character. Do you know who it is? That's right, it's Goldilocks from Goldilocks and the Three Bears. In this fairy tale, Goldilocks breaks into Three Bears' house. There's Mummy Bear, Daddy Bear and Baby Bear. Goldilocks shouldn't be there, but she goes into their house when they are out and she eats their food, she sleeps in their bed and she breaks one of the chairs in their house. Down at the bottom I've got lots of different adjectives to describe Goldilocks. I've got beautiful, rude, a spotty dress, cheeky, nervous, golden hair, blue headband, mean, unkind, pretty, mischievous and naughty. These adjectives can be sorted into two different categories. Some of them might describe Goldilocks' appearance. Appearance means what she looks like on the outside. Personality is what they act like, how they behave on the inside. I wonder if you could pause the video and have another look at these adjectives and see if you can sort them into appearance or personality. Let's see how you did. So the first word was beautiful. Beautiful describes their appearance. She looks beautiful on the outside. Rude. Rude describes her personality. Inside she's very, very rude. Her behaviour of breaking into the house is very, very rude. Spotty dress. That would be her appearance. It is what she's wearing. Cheeky and nervous. Both of these are her personality or how she's feeling. Golden hair. That would be appearance. Blue hairband would also be appearance. It's what you can see on the outside. Mean and unkind would both be their personality, how they choose to behave. Pretty would be Goldilocks' appearance. Mischievous and naughty would be personality. Well done for having a really good go. So in English next week, we will be looking at some good characters and some bad characters, and we will be comparing the vocabulary that we might use to describe them. When we've collected all of our adjectives, we're going to use them to write some really exciting sentences. Here's an example below. Goldilocks is a beautiful young girl. She has flowing golden hair. She wears a spotty blue dress and has a cheeky face. Goldilocks is naughty because she sneaks into the bear's house and she eats their food. She even broke Baby Bear's chair. She's mischievous because she runs away and she doesn't say sorry. So by writing sentences with all these different adjectives in, and also including because to give a reason, we can really picture and understand the kind of person that Goldilocks is. What I would like you to do is choose any character from your favourite fairy tale. It might be a good character, it might be a bad character, it doesn't matter. And I want you to draw a picture of them in the middle of your page. Around the outside, I wonder if you can come up with as many different adjectives to describe their appearance and also their personality. When you've done that, see if you can use each of those words to write your own really good sentence about your character. This should really help you with our learning next week. When you've done it, bring it into school and show your teacher. I know that we would all be so happy to see the wonderful work that you've been doing at home. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions, please dojo your class teacher. Thank you.